Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can integrate your Google Drive account in n8n. In a lot of AI agents, you will need to utilize Google Drive, sometimes Google Sheet as well, and then there is a long authentication process that you need to know to integrate your Google Drive. A lot of people get confused in it and they are unable to move forward while creating AI agents. So this is one of the basic requirements when you work in AI agents, that you need to know how to integrate your Google account. Okay, so let's go through step by step in this video. If you face any issues while implementing it, just let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to resolve your issues. So to get started, so this is an AI agent, a RAG AI agent, where I'm utilizing Google Drive to store my files. Now I won't jump into what is a RAG AI agent. I'll create a separate video on RAG AI agent, but here I'm utilizing Google Drive for two purposes. First is to store the files that I want to utilize to train my RAG agent, and then to download those files so that those files can be sent to my Pinecone vector database, right? So Google Drive is something that I simply cannot avoid in this particular AI agent. Now, if you are someone who's new to integrating Google Drive, you might find it a little bit difficult. So let me show you how you do it step by step. So to add it, simply click on plus icon, search for Google Drive, select this, and you can choose any one of those. So suppose you choose like download file. Now, first of all, you need to integrate your Google Drive account over here. How you can do this? Simply click on this drop down, click on create new credentials. Now, when you click on create new credentials, you see that it is asking for OAuth redirect URL. It is asking for client ID and it is asking for client secret. Okay. Actually, it has given you OAuth redirect URL, but it is asking for client ID and client secret. Where are we going to find this client ID and client secret? Okay, so to get this, go to Google and search for Google Cloud Console, and you'll get the Google Cloud Console website. Go to their website. Make sure you're logged into the Gmail that you want to integrate or the Google Drive that you want to integrate. When you land on this screen, click on the hamburger menu on the top left. Go to APIs and services, click on enabled APIs and services. Now, when you reach on this page, first of all, you'll need to create a new project. So click on create new project, click on go to settings and log into your account once again. Turn on your two-step verification. Once you turn it on, you'll be able to see it over here, that on since whatever time you turn it on. Go back to your previous screen, refresh it. You'll be able to create a new project now. Okay. So for example, I'm creating a project called test project over here and simply create. Now click on enable APIs and services and search for Google Drive API. Okay. And you have got the Google Drive API over here. Click on it and click on enable. Now your Google Drive API is enabled. Now you need to go to credentials and click on configure consent screen. Click on get started and just put in your application name. So I'm just putting in like test application. You can put in whatever your project name is. One email ID that you want to add. So I'm adding my email ID aditya.aisharma. Click on next. Select external. Click on next. Contact information. Again, add any email ID. So I'm adding my email ID over here. Click on next. Finish. Continue. Create. Okay. Now you need to click on create OAuth client and select the application type as web application. You can name it as anything or keep it as like this, and authorize redirect URL. Okay. If you remember, go back to your n8n and it is giving you a redirect URL. So I've simply copied it, come back to this, click on redirect URL and click on create. And here it has created OAuth client created, and here you have got your client secret and you have got your client ID over here. Okay guys, I delete my client ID and client secret after creating this video, but you can simply copy this client ID over here, go back to n8n, paste it, copy your client secret, go back, paste it and save it. Now simply click on sign in with Google, enter your credentials and your Google Drive account will be added. So the toughest thing was to find your client ID and client secret. We have got it here, and make sure to copy this OAuth redirect URL and paste it in the Google Cloud Console. These are all the steps to integrate your Google Drive account. Once your Google Drive account is successfully added, it will start appearing over here. I hope you have found this video informative. If you want any other information related to integrating your Google Sheet or Google Drive account, you have any other question, let me know in the comments below, and make sure to join our WhatsApp community. You'll find link in the description. We keep sharing amazing AI agents, all information related to AI agents and n8n, as well as different AI tools in our WhatsApp community. So make sure to join, like this video, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.